Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have credentials and a development theme. Start by syncing with Shopify CLI and opening the theme directory. Once done, locate layout/theme. Liquid and a target template to edit. This is where Liquid renders. Make sure to create a new snippet file rather than editing core code directly so you can revert quickly. You'll edit small, incremental blocks, output variables, use filters, and add comments. This immediate approach prevents breaking live pages while you learn how Liquid composes HTML. Now you'll wire data into templates. Reference objects like product, cart, and collections to pull attributes, for example, product, title, and product, price. Use filters to format output, money, date, truncate, then capture expensive expressions into variables for reuse and performance. When rendering lists, use for loops with limit and offset, and guard with if statements to avoid null errors. Make sure to test with different product types. Logic that works for simple products might need adjustments for variants and sold-out states. Finish by previewing the theme and deploying changes via Shopify CLI or the admin UI. Inspect the rendered HTML and console for missing assets or JavaScript errors. If Liquid throws errors, the message often includes file and line. Use that to isolate the buggy tag or unassigned variable. Once validated, publish the theme. If something goes wrong, revert to your Git branch or the duplicated theme copy immediately. This lets you iterate safely while preserving a working storefront.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.